All right, so let's look at our next example here. You see our collection of coins, but before we dive into looking at our collection of coins, let's revisit our steps. So the first thing we need to do is look at our coins. The second thing we need to do is redraw our coins in order from least to greatest. We have to make sure we label each of the coins with their value, and then we're going to add our collection together. So let's go ahead and get started. So I see some pennies up here. I have 4 pennies. Oh, I have some dimes right here. I have 4 dimes. I have 3 nickels and I have 6 quarters. So Miss Hobbs could normally move my coins around since I have them, my hands-on coins, but I know that you do not have your hands-on coins, and so we are going to draw them out. So starting from greatest to least, we know that our greatest would be our dollar bill, but we don't have any dollar bills. So our next greatest is going to be our quarters, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 quarters. So I'm going to go ahead and draw out my 6 quarters. Well, and I know that each one of those has a value of 25. And then I'm going to draw a line to separate my quarters from my next coin. So my next biggest is going to be my dime. So I have 4 dimes. Each one of those is a value of 10. I have 3 nickels, each with a value of 5. And then let's see if I can get my 4 pennies. I'm going to draw them up and down so you can still see my model. And I know that these are all of my pennies. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and figure out how much do I have in each category as I count my coins. So let's start with our quarter. If I have 6 quarters and each one of them is 25 cents, I have 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, and we know that 4 makes $1. So I'm going to put a little line right here because I know that this right here, these 4 are $1. And then I have 25 and 25, and I know if I have 2 more, that would be 50 cents. So now I know that in quarters alone, I have $1.50. So now let's go over to our dimes. Well, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 40 cents. In nickels, I have 5, 10, 15. I have 15 cents. And then in pennies, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cents. So now I have all of my values. So if I wanted to use the algorithm, I could. Or I can write the value underneath and continue to count on. So let's do counting on first, and then we'll use the values that we just found to add them using our algorithm. So if we have 1 quarter, we have 25 cents. If we have 2 quarters, we have 50 cents. 3 quarters, we have 75 cents. And 4 quarters we know make $1. $1 plus another quarter would be $1.25. If we added another quarter, we would have $1.50. So now we need to add on and keep counting on with our dimes. So I have $1.50. If I have $1.50 and I add 10 more cents, I now have $1.60. So now we are counting on from $1.60. So now I have 10 more would be $1.70 because now I'm counting by tens. 60, 70. My next one would be $1.80. And then I would have $1.90. Because if I have $1.50 here and I add 10 more, I get $1.60. Count by tens. $1.60, $1.70, $1.80, $1.90. And I just wrote my price down here so you could see without me running out of room. Now we're going to add our 15 cents worth of nickels. So if I have $1.90, if I add 5 more cents, I have $1.95. If I add 5 more, if I am now counting by fives because I'm in my nickels, 95 plus 5 more, I'm going to count on really quick. So 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. So we know that 200 is actually $2. So we have $2 when we get right here. Then if we add 5 more, we have $2.05. Now we have 4 pennies we need to add. So if we have $2.05 plus 1 more, we have a $2.06. Then we'd have $2.07, $2.08, and $2.09. So with this whole collection of money up here, we have $2.09. So don't forget to add your dollar sign. So now we're going to take our total amount and we are going to use our algorithm to see if we get the same amount of money. So we have $1.50 worth of quarters. We have 40 cents in dimes. We have 15 cents in nickels. And we have 4 cents in pennies. So we have our ones and our tens and our hundreds basically. So my decimal will have to stay the same because from here over is our cents. And from the decimal this way will be our dollars. So 0 plus 0 we know is 0. Plus 5 gives us 5. 5 plus 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 right here. We don't have anything we need to carry and regroup. So in our tens place, we have 5 plus 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that's 9 plus 1 more is 10. So I have a 0 here and I need to regroup my 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2, so I have a $2.09. So that is the same thing I got when I counted on. So now I want you to try to do some on your own on the next few slides. how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. Thank you so much for thinking
so
of me. You were so
welcome.
sweet.
You're so welcome. I've got to run. So
Who are you subbing for this morning?
Shaw, this afternoon.
Oh, okay.
I'm just now getting here.
Well, that's okay. Don't overwork yourself.
I'm not going to.
You better not.